yes, a profile is, it's defined as a brief of your top qualities, skills, courses you've given, courses you've delivered, training you've taken, PD you've tried out, everything. It defines you as a person and as a teacher. So in order to do this, we need to think, what are the different, why do I need to create a profile? What would be the reasons behind it? So believe it or not, sometimes we don't know what our potentials are until we sit down and write them. So sometimes we don't think we have all these kind of potentials until we actually sit down and write them. So this could be one of the reasons why we need to work on our profile, because we want to highlight our potentials, what we're good at, what we can do. This would be one of the reasons why. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, excellent. So evidence of professional experience. So when you write your own profile or when you work on your own profile, you will get to know where you are on your professional timeline, and you will get to know what you've done and what you still need to work on. Very good, excellent points. Okay, let's see other points. Okay, someone said to stay competitive. I like this one, because when you stay competitive, it means when you work on your own profile, you're going to be seen for the right reason. If you want your current employer to know who you are, then this is a good way of showing. Or if you're applying for other jobs, then this will also help you do this. So let's see what reasons it's more or less what you've said. So first of all, introduce to better understand your potentials. You sit down and you realize that you've got a lot of potentials that you were not aware of. To list your skills and experiences. And it doesn't matter, even if you're a novice teacher or even if you have not taught before, just think of everything you're good at, because when you work on your profile, it helps you to identify your areas of interest, because sometimes we think we are interested in a lot of things, but once we sit down and we write, we kind of narrow them down. And like one of the attendees said, you think of new opportunities and you get other people to see you for the right reason. And once you work on your profile, you will start connecting with people from in and outside of the industry, instead of limiting yourself to a group of people. And finally, which is the main reason why I'm highly recommending working on your profile, is actually having a sense of purpose to develop. Because once you put this on paper, you will realize that maybe you need to work on different things that you haven't worked on before.